Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add product images on Sellfy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have your name where we have your account settings, billing, email notifications, purchases, and the logout option. We also have the store and all of its options here, and the marketing and its options here in the left side of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can add product images on Sellfy. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So to do that, you just need to go to the middle of the screen and here you have customize your store. Under that, you have add your product. Click on add your product. For products for purchases, prep products for purchases, upload files, written descriptions, and browsers, the print of demand section. Click add my product. Then when you click on that, here guys you have a lot of options. As you can see, 5 of them. You can click on, for instance, let's go digital product. And here guys you can add product files. So you can upload 50 files with a combined size of 10 gigabytes or fewer. You can browse on your computer or select from uploaded and put the image of your product here. Click save product, and that's that. You have it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.